things I like most about ELS are the consistency. So it's really consistent with the routines, and through that consistency we've been able to embed it from early years right the way through to Key Stage 2.
Ball, talk, is, you.
Since using ELS, we've been teaching it for 4 years now. The scores, our phonics scores in Year 1, but also our reading scores in Key Stage 2 have improved hugely.
Well, I do enjoy teaching essential letters and sounds because I believe it delivers results in a very systematic, engaging and clear way. The pupils love how inclusive it is, so regardless of whether they struggle with early reading, it provides scaffolding, so it allows everyone to be included regardless of their ability, and they are able to take part because it enhances their confidence to engage in lessons.
The ELS teaching materials is really supportive. I find that they're really easily accessible and they're really useful in terms of refreshing teachers and TAs when it comes to training any new staff as well. The videos are really helpful, and they're really easy to watch, and they're also short snippets as well, so it doesn't take a lot of time for staff to use those videos in order to keep up the training process at our school. I would highly recommend ELS to other schools, and seeing the children's enjoyment that they get from learning ELS as well is just fantastic.